Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, we're going to be using the square extra short soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase on my Etsy shop, and as always, the link is down below. But I'm going in and I'm sizing them out before we begin our design. With using full nail covers, you just want to make sure that they fit wall to wall. And if you happen to have a nail that doesn't give you that perfect fit and you're in between sizes, so one is too big, one is too small, always opt for the bigger one, and then you can size it down by going in and filing around the side. So Polygel is the method of application for this video. I'm using my all-time favorite shade. This is Light Apricot by Model 1s. Absolutely love this color. It's the perfect nude for me. But I purchased a big tube of this on Amazon, and it lasts forever. I've had to refill this once, and this has probably been over, I probably had it for about a year, so it lasts you a very long time. But all I'm doing is going in and applying a pea-sized amount to my full nail cover and then just covering it wall to wall. When doing this method, you just want to make sure that you're kind of swiveling around the full nail cover and making sure that you're hitting every corner, every side with the polygel. And then as you can see here, after you apply, if you do get any excess that squeezes out around the cuticles and the edges, you do want to be sure to wipe that off and remove it fully before curing. Additionally, I didn't show it here in the video, but you do want to flip your hand upside down and make sure the underneath of your nail is totally flat. Because if it's too bulky, it's just going to be a long process to remove that bulk after curing. So you just want to make sure that you do that beforehand. You guys have seen me do this 1,000,001 times. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply these full nail covers. And as always here, I do just want to come in really quick and mention, you can do all 4 fingers like I did, and that just helps eliminate the time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. But you do want to make sure that you always do your thumbs separately. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and wipe my nails down before we begin filing. I'm using this lint-free wipe. I purchased a huge pack of these off of either Amazon or Shein, but they're super inexpensive and they are definitely an essential. And the nail pump that I use, it just has pure alcohol in it, and that is purchased off of Shein. But you can get nail pumps, I believe, like from the dollar store. And I believe from the dollar store they come in like a pack of 2, so I would definitely check that out as well. So then I went in and filed. The video cut short while I was filing. My apologies, but you get the hint. Filing with full nail covers is super easy and it's a super quick method since they are pre-shaped for you. But I went in with a black and a silver. These are by Beetles, and I'll be honest, the Beetles black gel polish really isn't my favorite because, as you'll see in this video, when doing this design, I had to go in and do a double layer. When it comes to doing designs, I need a really thick, really rich black and white, and I really haven't found that. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know down below in the comments. So I kind of don't recommend this for designs. For a regular polish, it's totally fine because sometimes people want to build it up to a rich color, and you don't want that full black right away. But for this purpose, I don't recommend it. Like I said, if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. But there's silver. The Beetles silver gel polish is my absolute favorite because it actually is super thick and it's super rich in color. Like, one swipe is literally all you need. So as you can see here, I'm just going in and lining that black, and then to kind of clean it up, I did go in with the same brush that I used to apply my Polygel, and I just kind of cleaned it up with that round brush tip. Alright, so now after the design is finished, we're just going to top that all off with the Model 1's top coat. This is their basic top coat, gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat, and this is my all-time favorite top coat. I say it in every video. I don't know what it is about this top coat, but the shine just stays. It doesn't dull out, and it's just perfect. It always cures nice and smooth. I never have any problems with bubbling or any of that mess. So I definitely love this top coat, and I do 100,000% recommend giving it a try. It is available for purchase on Amazon, and I'll be sure to have all the links to all the products that I use down below in the description. I'm going in now with some cuticle oil. And here is the final design. It's a super cute, super fun, and really easy look. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so sorry this video was coming on late, but better late than never. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.